Hello dear friends, you can crochet such beauty for the night or for the evening. Also I will show you my new oven stitch pattern that I created recently. It is crocheted very easy, so please join me. For this project you need to have some tools such as crochet hook, 4.4 millimeters and a ball of yarn. Let's crochet the band. Make the foundation chain of 16 chains. 1. You can crochet any amount of chains, multiples. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 and 16. I have done that foundation chain. Let's crochet the first row. For this, make a chain and pull a little bit and make a slip stitch into each chain stitch of the foundation chain. In total it should be 16 of them. I do not pull my stitches, and you shouldn't do them very loosely. Like this. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Pattern consists of 6 rows. It is very easy. 5 rows of them will be slip stitches and another one will be a row of stitches. This is the first row. I have done it. Make a chain. Turn the work. You should turn the work in one way in each time. I skip this stitch, insert the hook into the next one, make a slip stitch. I work with back loops. In total it should be 5 rows of such slip stitches. This is the second row. Then you should make 3 more rows. Pattern consists of 6 rows. 5 of them are slip stitches and another one is magic stitches. I remind you, you can use any kind of yarn for this pattern. So now I'm making some slip stitches and the row will be ready. Pull a little bit, my second row is ready. So continue the work, make a chain and begin row 3. Continue. In total it should be 5 of them. Continue working in this way till the end of the 5th row. I have done 5 rows of slip stitches and let's crochet row 6. Make a chain of 5 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains to bring up the yarn. turn the work like this. Yarn over the hook 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop 1 and make the next one. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. This is the back loop of the second stitch. Pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger. Here what I have at this point. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2. I have got 4 loops on the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. My stitch is ready. This is my own stitches. I created them recently. I call them magic stitches. Make double treble crochet stitch into the back loop of the next stitch. My stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands, like this. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop of next stitch, pull up a loop. Here what I have. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, and pull through 4 loops on the hook. So my stitch is ready. Here what I have. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 3 times and work with double treble crochet stitch into the next loop of the next stitch. Let's do this. Insert the hook into the back loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 2 loops, pull up a loop 1, 2, and 3. Then insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through all loops on the hook. The third stitch is ready. Let's look at my swatch. I remind you, I did 5 rows of slip stitches and this is the 6th row. So and now continue working in this way till the end of this row. And let's complete this row together. This is the 6th row. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop of the next stitch, make double treble crochet stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Insert the hook into the last back loop, pull up a loop and pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, and pull through 4 loops on the hook. So my small piece of pattern is ready. So now I will begin first row of the slip stitches, make a chain, I turn at the work and let's crochet the 7th row. I will crochet in the same way as I did the first one. Work with back loops. Make a slip stitches into each back loop. Continue working in this way till the end of this row. I remind you, pattern consists of 6 rows and you should make the foundation chain multiples of 2. I will use this pattern for headband. You can use it like an ear warmer. Now insert the hook into the stitch that is after this one. Make a slip stitch. Well done. This is the back side of the swatch. Make a chain and turn the work like this one. Turn the work like this. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make a slip stitch. Work with back loops only. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I remind you, my pattern has 6 rows. 5 of them you should crochet slip stitches. And another one is magic stitches. I showed you one piece of pattern and you should repeat as many times as you need. Now work with back loops. And now I show you how this pattern looks like in another kind of yarn. This is the half of the wool, 390 meters in 50 grams. Very elastic. So you can use for a scarf or mittens and another accessories. I have done my pattern as many times as I needed. And now I will show you how to do the headband. And now I show you how to join 2 pieces together. In my case, I have done the 6th row, and now I turn the work like this, put their backs together, and now I will make the seam using slip stitches. After I have done the previous row, make a chain and pull a little bit. Then insert the hook into the back loop. Then insert the hook into the first stitch. Make a slip stitch. So continue. Make a slip stitch. Then into the next stitch and make a slip stitch into the back loop. Then insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. And by the end, you will get amazing seam. You can use, in this case, the sewing needle. I prefer crochet hook. Then I will turn the work and show you what I will get. I have done the seam. This is the back side of the project. Now I turn the work. If you make rows, and you will see that you still need to make some rows more, so you can crochet just row with slip stitches, and then you should make a seam to join two sides together. And I remind you, I used crochet hook. You can choose sewing needle and just thread. Also, you can make the headband wider. This depends of foundation chain, so you can crochet the foundation chain longer. So that's it. My project is ready. Here how my headband looks like. This is a very easy to crochet pattern, and you can use it anywhere in any project. This is my own stitch pattern. I created it recently. Also, you can crochet wider and it could be perfect like a belt, or use another kind of yarn. It could be perfect like a bracelet for hand. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video tutorials. Bye!